there has been a test done on Vijender Singh by the National Anti-Doping Agency, and the Sports Minister himself has now intervened. He has spoken to NDTV where he has said he is disappointed with Vijender. Let's take a look.
I have with me the Sports Minister, Mr. Jitendra Singh. So, a bit disappointed with Vijender's issue going out of proportion, as people call it. What about the test? Is the NADA doing the test? If yes, then when?
The tests are on as I speak. This morning, the blood and urine samples of Vijender Singh and other boxers have been taken. As we speak, the tests are on. We are waiting for the results. Of course, I think all the sports persons, the whole country is, of course, disappointed with this issue. But, of course, I feel that we need to look forward. Even if Vijender has made a mistake, he should be, of course, be penalized, punished. But then what after that? What after that? We need to rehabilitate. We have to start rehabilitation, and we need to see that our sportsmen are rehabilitated so they can perform for the country.
So last night I spoke to Dinesh Singh, who is also Arjun awardee and also a bronze medalist in Asian Games, and he said that Ram Singh, the third accomplice with Vijender and Dinesh, is being harassed by the police, and he is kept in custody without a police FIR lodged against him for the last 25 days, and the family doesn't have any trace of him. And he has also alleged that Vijender is being framed by the Punjab police.
See, this matter concerns the Punjab police, and there's nothing what the sports ministry can do. So I think once Punjab police concludes their investigation, we'll come to know.
So, and my last question is, Indian Olympic Association and IOC are still at loggerheads. Have you spoken to the counterparts in IOA and decided on a future course of action, and IOC as well as pushed the dates for that meeting a bit more?
We are in constant touch with the IOA and the IOC, and of course all stakeholders. And we hope that the controversy, the matter is resolved ASAP. I think we are moving ahead. Of course, we have offered, the ministry has also offered, the government has also offered to mediate between the two so that the controversy can be resolved.
So that is it. The Sports Minister is a bit disappointed with Vijender's case, and the drug samples and the testing is on as we speak. In New Delhi with Manu Nair, Yash Chawla, NDTV.